Hello everyone, welcome to our live stream, and we can see that as for today's lesson, it is already the fourth lesson. So everyone, you can see that on the screen. Here are the QR code to join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. We can see that as for the SMKC mock test will be on February 20, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And as for the SASMO mock test, it will be on February 25th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Welcome everyone to scan the QR code to join it. Hello everyone, welcome to join our live stream class, and we can see that as for today's lesson, it is the fourth week, and in this lesson we will learn about the SASMO questions, and here is the QR code to join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. Welcome everyone to scan the QR code and join our mock test. As for the SMKC mock test, will be on February 20, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And as for the SASMO, it will be on February 25th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Okay, everyone, it is 4:30 already. Welcome everyone to join our class today. So here, let me repeat again. You can see that here is a QR code, right? You can screenshot or take a picture so that you can join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. Here, as for the SMKC mock test, it will be on February 20th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. And as for the SASMO, it will be on February 25th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. So everyone, don't forget to screenshot or take a picture to join our mock test and see about your ranking, how about your skill together. Okay, score. Okay, and then everyone, let's move on and see what we will learn today. Today, it will still be Teacher Jane that will learn together with all of us. And we can see that today it is already the 4th week of our lesson. And welcome to join us for free through WeChat or YouTube, and the playback is provided. And every time if you submit your homework on time, you can redeem a star, and 5 stars can redeem a present after the 5 lessons. Okay, so everyone, we can see that as for today's lesson, it is the 4th week, and today we will discuss about the topic 9, and it is about the time and calendar problems. So everyone, let's have a look. Here, let's see what we will learn today. Okay, so everyone, here it is a clock, right? And Teacher Jane is looking at the hands. Thinking about the question, everyone, the yellow one is called as what? A, minute hand. B, hour hand. Okay, everyone, type in your chat box. Yes, good job. This is called as the mini hand, right? Because we can see the longer one is called as the mini hand. Then everyone, how about the blue one? The blue one is called as what? Yeah, this one is the hour hand, right? Okay, so we can see the blue one is the hour hand. The longer one is the mini hand. Okay, then let me ask you a question. Easy peasy. 1 hour equals how many minutes? Good job, 16 minutes. Okay, then everyone, this time, let's think about the question. When the minute hand moves from one number to the next, it means how many minutes have passed? A, 1 minute. B, 5 minutes. C, I don't know. Okay, good job, everyone. That will be 5 minutes has passed, right? You see the minute hand, if it moves from the 12 to 1, it means that 5 minutes has passed, right? Okay, then how about this? When the hour hand moves from one number to the next, it means how many hours has passed? A, 1 hour. B, 5 hours. C, I don't know. Okay, good job. It means 1 minute, 1 hour has passed, right? So we can see when the hand moves from one number to the next, we need to be careful. Think about, is it hour hand or minute hand, right? Okay, this time let's try to calculate the time together. Firstly, let's have a look at the first one. 1 hour, 15 minutes plus 1 hour, 25 minutes equals how many hours, how many minutes? So everyone, what we need to do is just to add the hours with hours, add the minutes with the minutes. So everyone, give me 30 seconds to calculate, then type in your chat box. Okay, we can also do it together. You see 1 hour, 15 minutes plus 1 hour, 25 minutes. Minutes plus minutes. We calculate the minutes first to see if there are carryovers, right? So we see equals 40 minutes and 2 hours, right? Okay, then how about the second one? Good job, Ihan. Good job, Sarah, Jiayi. Very fast. Okay, then let's have a look. How about the second one? 1 hour, 50 minutes plus 15 minutes. I see. This time, easy peasy. I think that equals 65 minutes and 1 hour. Haha, this is my answer. Am I correct? No, everyone. You see, do we have 65 minutes in 1 hour? No, never, right? So what should we do? What we need to do is to cancel 60 minutes from the minutes part. Okay, after minus the 60, we still have 5 left, right? But don't forget, we need to plus 1 hour. So here, what we can have is that the 2 hours, 5 minutes, right? Okay, good job. So we can see when the minutes exceed 60 minutes, we didn't need to write down the 65, but instead we need to convert them into hours, okay? And then everyone, this time let's try some questions together. A drama episode airs on TV from 2:30 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. How long is the episode in hours and minutes? Okay, so we can see that in the question about the time, there are some important information. The first one is the starting time. The first one is the starting time. The second one is the ending time. And also the duration means the gap between them. That is how long we take. Okay, so here, everyone, take out your pencil and your paper. Let's draw a timeline together. We can see that here, this is the starting time, right? And in this question, the starting time, it is 2:30 p.m., right? And as for the ending time in this question, it is 4:30 p.m. And our task is to calculate how long is the episode. So what we need to calculate is the duration between them, right? So everyone, what we need to do is to use the ending time minus the starting time to calculate how many hours and minutes that we need to use, right? So this time, 4:30 p.m. minus 2:30 p.m. Then we can see 2 hours has passed, right? Okay, so 2 hours. You can just write down your final answer will be 2 hours. And don't forget that sometimes it is quite tricky. For example, what if teacher Jane changed the PM into AM? Then the question will be different, right? Okay, everyone. So in case we meet this kind of question, we can firstly change the 12-hour clock to the 24-hour clock. For example, in this question, you can see that just now we do the 4:30 p.m. minus the 2:30 p.m., right? But this time, let teacher Jane change the question into 4:30 p.m. minus 2:30 a.m. Then we can see 4:30 p.m. What we need to do is to plus 12 hours, right? So that will be 16:30 and this 2:30 a.m. It is through 2:30, right? So what we need to do is just to use the 16:30 minus the 2:30. Then we can see there are 14 hours has passed, right? Okay, so everyone be very careful. This is how can we solve the problem. Okay, this time everyone, let's try to do some practice. This is a real SASMO question in 2023. Let's read the question together. A plane was scheduled to fly from Singapore to Tokyo at 3:30 p.m. Okay, everyone tell me 3:30 p.m. What time is it? Yeah, it is just 3:30 p.m. plus 12, right? But probably you see the answer still got p.m. So we can also leave it just like this, or you can label it. It is 15:30 to remind us. And you see, it takes 6 hours and 30 minutes for the plane to reach Tokyo due to an unexpected delay, the plane left Singapore 30 minutes later than the scheduled time. What time would the plane reach Tokyo? So everyone, this time the question is so tricky. So probably we need to draw a timeline together, right? Okay, firstly, everyone, let's draw a timeline. Oh, it is not that straight. Let me try. Okay. So here you see, it is scheduled to fly. Oh, so this 3:30 p.m. is it the starting time or the ending time? S for starting, E for ending. Okay, so this is the starting time, right? The starting time. Okay, so we can see this is 3:30 p.m. and it takes 6 hours and 30 minutes. So we need to plus 6 hours and 30 minutes, right? But it delayed 30 minutes. So everyone, what is the real starting time? It is 4 p.m., right, everyone? It is 4 p.m. for the real starting time. Okay, and then it takes 6 hours and 30 minutes. So everyone tell me what is the answer here? Okay, so we see that will be C, right? Because we just do the plus together. You see, 4 p.m. Don't forget to label the p.m. or it will be 4 a.m. also, right? So don't forget to label the p.m. or a.m. sometime. Or if you don't believe in yourself, you can just turn it into 24 o'clock. Okay, so everyone plus 6 hours 30 minutes, so that is 10:30 p.m. Okay, so everyone, what we need to do is to draw the timeline and don't forget to change p.m. or a.m., right? Okay, so this is how we solve the problem. Then everyone, let's see. This time we will learn something about the calendar. So when we are looking at the calendar, do you know there are how many days in a month? Okay, everyone, show me your hands and do like this. We can see that we can use the knuckles to trick to determine the number of days in per month. The higher one with bones, you can see there will be more days. Okay, it will be imagine it as a big month with 31 days, and then the lower part they will have less days, and then higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, and another higher. Okay, so everyone, let's count. For January, it is 31. Then February, there are 28 days. But it is quite special for the February because for the leap years, we will have 29 days. Okay, for the leap years, it will have 29 days every 4 years. Okay, so everyone, 31, 28, 31, 30, 31, 30, 31, and then another big month, right? 31, 30, 31, 30, 31. Okay, so this is how can we remember how many days are there in a month. Okay, so everyone, we can see the months with 31 days. After you are quite familiar, you will know that there will be January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. And the months with 30 days, there will be April, June, September, and November. And February is so special, right? Because sometimes it is 28 days, but sometimes it will be 29 days. So everyone be careful. And then everyone, let's move on. Here we can see that when we are counting how many days are there. Let's try it. Let's see how many robots are there in total. Let's count. A, B, C, which one? How many robots are there in total? Okay, A, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we just count. Okay, so everyone, we can see that. This time, what if we change the robots into the calendar? Let's try it. Okay, so how many days are there from 1st August 2023 to 14th August 2023? How many days are there? Type in your chat box. Okay, everyone, the correct answer will be 14 days. Let's try it together. This is because, everyone, you see, let's count together. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? 14 days. But someone asked, Teacher Jane, this is such an easy question. Why do you need to let me count like this? This is a K1 question. But later I'll tell you why. Everyone, firstly, remember that if we count starting from the first day, then the day will just be the same as the ending date. What does it mean? For example, if we count starting from 1st to the 7th, then the how many days, the total days will be the same as the last day. That will be 7, right? For example, the 14th here. But what about this, everyone? You see, how about we count from 3, the 3rd day, to the 7th one? So everyone, let's count together. How many days, how many cats are there in total? Tell me. Can I just do 7 minus 3? No, that will be 5, right? So everyone, this time, let's have a look. How should we do it, okay? So everyone, we can see this time what we need to do is to do like this. And you will see here what we need to do because we count starting from the 3rd one. So you see just now, we skipped 2 cats, right? We skipped 2 cats. So actually, what we need to do is to do 7 minus 3 and then plus 1 to get the 5. Or you can do it another way so that you just minus 2. Imagine how many we deleted. That is this 2, right? You just use 7 minus 2. That is 1 less than the 3, the starting time. Okay? Both can help you remember. The first one is just use the ending one minus the starting one and then plus 1 because we minus too many, right? Okay, so everyone, we can see that here what we need to do is to see, oh, what about this time? We not start from 1. Then how can we calculate? Okay, everyone, let's try it. How many days are there from the 3rd August 2023 to the 7th August 2023? Okay, let's do it. So Teacher Jane wanna do 7 minus 3, so there must be 4 days. Am I correct? No, everyone, don't forget to plus 1, right? So what we need to do is to use 7 minus 3 plus 1. Then we can get the correct answer will be 5. So there are 5 days passed, right? This is really important. So everyone, we see, if we count starting from 1, how many days are there? Just the same as the ending date, right? But if we are not counting starting from 1, then we need to use the ending date minus the starting date and then plus 1 because we minus too much, right? Okay, so everyone, this time, let's think about the question. There are 7 days in 1 week, right? So if today is Monday, the next Monday comes how many days later? Look at the calendar below. So you see, if today is Monday, then the next Monday comes how many days later? Okay, the next Monday is the July 8th, right? So let's count. 1, 2, 3 days later, 4 days later, 5 days later, 6 and 7, right? So it comes 7 days later. So the correct answer will be B, right? So we can see there are 7 days in 1 week. Then everyone, let me ask you, how about I'll ask you, you see, July 1st is a Monday, right? Then how about July 9th? It is a Tuesday, right? Because you can see every 7 days, after every 7 days, the day of the week won't change, right? So we see 7 days has passed. Because we know 9 minus 1, there are 8 days have passed. So we can see that what we need to do is to use the 8 minus 7, that one more day has passed, right? Every 7 days, it will be another Monday. So this time, we need to calculate another one. We need to count another one. So we see it will be Tuesday. Okay, so everyone, this time, let's try some question together. If Monday is the first day of the month, then next Monday is which day of the same month? How many days has passed? 7 days has passed, right? So the first day has passed will be the second, and then let's count together. The second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7th, 8th, right? So that will be the 8th day of the same month. Okay, so everyone, you can see here, the Monday is the first day of a month. The next Monday is the 8th of the same month. Because you see, there will be 7 more days have passed, right? Okay. Then let's try something else. If 5th January 2006 was a Sunday, what day of the week is 13th March 2006? Everyone, this time it will be a little bit tricky. Let's learn how can we solve the problem, okay? So everyone, they are not starting from the same month, right? But no worries, everyone. We still think of, how many total days has passed? And we know that when we passed every 7 days, it will still be the Sunday, right? It will still be the Sunday. So we know that every week there are 7 days, and our task is to see how many cycles has passed, that how many whole weeks has passed, and how many days is the remainder, how many days has left. Okay. Oops, sorry, I gave you the answer. Okay, everyone, let's calculate together. So firstly, calculate the total days. Think about in January, how many days are there? Type in your chat box. 31 days in total, right? There are 31 days in January. So start from 15th to the 31st. How many days has passed? So the 16th will be the first day passed, right? Okay, so what we need to do as for the January, 31 minus 15. Okay. So we see 16 days has passed. And then February, just now, we say how many days are there in February? Everyone, 2006 is not a leap year. It's not a leap year. Okay, there will be 28 days, right? And then how about the March? Just now we say that. How can we see how many days are there? This time we just count starting from March 1st, right? Yeah, so that will be 13 days. So the total days has passed will be 16 plus 28 plus 13 equals how many? 57. So in total, 57 days has passed. Okay, and then we know that there are 7 days in 1 week. So every week there will be 7 days, right? So you can imagine it as a cycle. And then how many cycles has passed? How many whole weeks has passed? Yeah, if you know about the multiplication or division, then you can do the division first. But it will be easier for you to see, 7 times, is it 8 or 6? 7 times 6 will be 42, right? Seems not enough. So let's try, how about 7 times 9? Yeah, that would be too many. So probably after we try it, we will see. 7 times 8 equals 56. But you see, there are 8 whole weeks has passed. But is it enough? No, so we can see that there are still 1 more day has passed, right? So if we know after 8 whole cycles, 8 whole weeks, it will be still another Sunday. And then another 1 day has passed. What day it will be? Yeah, it will be Monday, right? Okay, so everyone, probably you are a little bit confused already. I know that. So let's try it using the calendar. Okay, so everyone, you see, we know that after past 7 days, it will be another Monday, right? So every 7 days, every 7 days, every 7 days, it will be a Monday. But if Teacher Jane asks you, how about 8 days has passed? Yeah, we just use 8 minus 7 so that we can see there are 1 more day has passed. Then it will be the Tuesday, right? So we just count. Oh, this is Monday. So, but we need to have another 1 day. So that will be Tuesday. And then how about there are 9 days has passed. 9 days has passed. What day is it? Yeah, it will be Wednesday, right? Because you see, 9 minus 7 equals 2. And we know today is Monday, so we need to calculate. Oh, that will be Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, how about 10 days has passed? Then there will be 3 more days, right? So let's count. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, just like this. Okay, everyone. So this time, let's move on. Here it is the SASMO P1 2024. How many days are there in a month that begins on Saturday and ends on Sunday? Okay, everyone, this time it will be a little bit tricky. So let me tell you directly. Firstly, when we do this kind of question, we can draw a calendar table. I know that it will be a little bit tricky for you to draw all of them. So you can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to show is it Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, okay? And then the 1 is for Monday, 2 is for Tuesdays, so that we can save a lot of time. Okay, so we can see the day that start in a month that begins on Saturday. So you see, begins here. Okay, everyone. So we can see the first day will be the Saturday. The second day will be Sunday, right? And then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, another week passed, right? Okay, so everyone, this time, let me help you to label directly. So this time we can see how many days are there in a month that begins on Saturday and ends on Sunday. Yeah, we can see that there are 2 more days with 4 cycles. Every cycle got 7 days. Every week got 7 days, right? So you see 4 times 7 equals 28, or you can say 7 plus 7 plus 7 plus 7. And then don't forget to plus another 2 so that we can get the final answer will be 30. Okay, so when we are doing this kind of question, you can draw a calendar table to help you think about how many days are there. This will be really helpful. And if you are lazy to write down Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 instead, right? Okay, but this is not a standard way, right? When you are asking about, oh, is it Monday, is it Tuesday, you still need to write it correctly, like the word, okay? Teacher Jane, write down the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 only on the draft paper. Okay? Okay, everyone. So this is all for today's lesson. Don't forget to submit your homework through the WeChat or WhatsApp group before Thursday, 9 p.m. this week. And also, don't forget to take a picture of this. Scan the QR code to join our SMKC and SASMO mock test. As for the SMKC mock test, it will be on February 20th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. As for the SASMO mock test, it will be on February 25th, 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Everyone, you can take a picture of the QR code or scan it directly, or just take a picture and scan later to join our mock test and see how good you learned recently, right? This is already the 4th lesson, so I believe that when you are doing the mock test, you will be much better than before. Okay, everyone, so this is all for today's lesson. Hope you enjoy it. I'm looking forward to see you next week. Bye-bye.